So Bahike is back at Valtheim Towers, and as you can see, he's found a new set of armour, which was on the corpse of a bandit that had spawned here and was killed by, not Miko, Goldir, who, if you remember, was my follower from ages ago, who I left to guard this place. And a few things have happened. There are, well, still at Miko. Hello Miko. There are some random bandits that spawned again, and they're just wandering around and for some reason aren't hostile, which is fine by me, but also slightly concerning, as I've got no idea why, because I haven't touched them yet, but oh well. Here were the two that Goldir killed. Stole his armour. It's awesome armour. It's the light and Hydra armour, and it's better than what I was wearing. But that's where Bahike is at the moment. We are in the home. All my followers have been dismissed, and I've reset amazing follower tweaks and then got Miko back again. So basically everyone I did have is now gone from the game, because I will be re-adding them when I come to start building all these areas using my own mod, which is the next thing that's going to happen with Bahike's story. I was waiting for sunrise, but it's going to do a nicely timed scenic shot, but it's not happening because it's cloudy and raining and Bahike's getting wet, and he's still diseased, and he's got no potions apart from one he picked up from the cabinet. There are lots of people wandering around. Anyway, so yes, episode 26 was the final episode of chapter 1 for Bahike. So we won't be seeing him again for a while until I've finished off the bandit mod, which I'm close to doing all the actual individual bandits, but then is a case of editing all of these world spaces, which will take a bit longer as I have to test them and everything, and then I will be uploading those mods if anyone wants to join in and have their own bandit camp. I'll upload those to the Nexus once I work out how to do that as well. So it'll be a while till we see Bahike again, but we will see him again. In the meantime, while he rests at home, we've got my Morrowind playthrough, my Fallout playthrough, Conquest Bad Fur Day. Obviously, people are mainly on this channel for Skyrim, and I will be starting a new character very soon, possibly today or tomorrow in fact. As you might remember, I wanted to do one using the alternate actors mod. That isn't going to be possible. I played around with it lots, tried to get it to work how I'd like it, and it's not happening. It's not stable enough. There are too many sort of extra things that happen with it that it's just going to make it a pain in the ass, basically. So, but I've got an idea for the character, and I will be introducing him soon. I hope you'll enjoy him as much as you've enjoyed Bahike. But as I said, we're not leaving him behind, we're just letting him rest for a while. So that is the end of chapter 1.